So welcome to my channel and welcome to Bonifacio Global City, or better known as BGC, at night. And this is going to be a really good treat because they have all the Christmas decorations. And I'm right here at 5th. And look at these billboards. They are really something. Look at that BGC sign. That looks really neat. Not only Christmas stars behind it. Oh yeah. I like this tree. 16 days Christmas. Got a good view from up here. So this is in the Surrender area of BGC. Next to this really neat looking fountain. So what do you think about Bonifacio Global City at night? Pretty neat so far, huh? This is a typical intersection, and I'm going up here to see this beautiful display. All right, got some good lighting now. Look at this little yogurt place. How neat is that? Bgc at night. Show you these trees right on top of the walkway. What else? I kind of like to go back and forth on each side here on High Street. Okay, this is a real interesting side. A lot more lights. Got a nice little coffee house. Right over here. That's something.
First thing yun.
I like this little Coca-Cola setup. Santa. Check this out. Good place to bring the kids. From Saranda Mall, which is right across the street, I'm gonna make my way back to 5th Avenue. So let's do this little walk again. Check out these beautiful lights. Right up here on High Street. A good vibe out here. See all the lights on with the trees on top. Of the walkway. Gotta love this out here. I just got a good video of that earlier. Santa's house. Alright, finally got the blue tree lights on. Right next to this really cool fountain. Right there. I think the lights went on maybe around 6:45. I thought they'd go on at 6, but they didn't. So we're going down the walkway again and kind of show you what it's like along the side where the restaurants are. You can see what else is here. Kind of circle it around, you can see the trees lit up there on the top, right up there along the side. Right on top of the walkway. So I'm kind of going like from back and forth between each side. Kind of getting a little bit of both. And then in between is kind of like the best shots are. All right. Make my way over here. center. And I figure I gotta do like a 360 right here because I got good light. Oh yeah, my favorite VW bus. And I get a little bit of the skyline in the back with these skyscrapers. And that really makes it nice. With across the street, action right here. This is nice. I'd say that the polar bear is the best. Next to the Santa Claus Coca-Cola. That was good. This is one of my favorites right here. You got some upper dining right up here. Kind of give you some restaurant look here. Oh, that's nice right there. So this is the end of this video of my night walking tour here at High Street here in BGC, and it's been really exciting seeing all the pretty Christmas lights, and the vibe here is really good. Seeing all the restaurants and everybody just having a good time. And this is kind of a lasting shot of where I actually started from, and these billboards are just really cool. And if this content helps you out, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. So see ya from beautiful Philippines later.